Hi, so today we'll be showing you a quick security tips on how you should protect your Windows computer from being exploited by malicious hackers or non-ethical hackers. So in Windows operating system, Microsoft has introduced a security feature since the late last year. So what does this feature does is to block vulnerable drivers that are on your system, which have been known to be exploited in the wild by malicious hackers. So Microsoft introduced this feature just to protect non-technical users from being exploited or getting that computer manipulated by rootkits or any other malware that can exploit these vulnerable drivers to perform sinister acts. So to do that, you have to go to Core Isolation. You look for this. If you cannot find it, you just type it in the search and you click on it. Then over here, you can see the vulnerable driver block list. So by default, in some places it might be on, in some it might not, but just locate this under device and security as well. If you don't know how to locate the core isolation, just go under device and security. You're going to find it. Then here it's off. You say yes. So now if this is off, it means our computer is exposed to security risk. Although we have some Achilles heels protection such as antivirus installed on our PC, but you never can tell. Sometimes virus signatures or security signatures has not been released by your antivirus software, but has gotten to Microsoft. Since Microsoft is a big corporation and caters to a lot of people, they might quickly insert these signatures into the short security patch that your computer regularly installs on its updates. So it's always good to enable this, as this is going to also help you should in case your antivirus does not have that signature. As long as this is blocked, then whatever communication or exposure these drivers could lead to would definitely be prevented. So once you get to device security, just turn this on and that's it. Ensure that the Microsoft vulnerable driver is on. Then other feature as well is device performance and health. You can see here, you can click here. It's going to tell you what your device is all about. What's the storage capacity? Does it have any issues? Your battery life, is it okay? Apps and software that are behaving maliciously. Windows time services. So all these are very good. The reason why you should also regularly use or check your device performance and health is that probably your computer might be slow and maybe you're trying to reboot your computer and you experience that there is a glitch. Things are not really, moving very fast, or your system is quite a bit laggy, which is definitely might be a sign of some hardware component or even software component issues. So always check this whenever you have those issues. Don't just rush to the internet to pick up commands or third-party softwares and install on your system, thereby infecting your system without just knowing what the issue is all about. So this is just a security trick. When you turn on your computer and you experience some issues, just go to device performance and health. You check what the health report says. So if the health report says, okay, your storage capacity, you click on it to know if it's the hard disk is bad. Although SSD in recent times has never been reported to have any issues, but you never can tell. It might also be storage capacity is full. So always check this. Your battery also might be faulty. Faulty batteries can also affect computers and cause issues on the computer system. So if the battery life is not good, you also have the issues reported here. Apps and software that are causing issues as well can be reported here. You can see there is no information. As long as there's this green check here, it's an indication that your system is okay. And Windows time services, of course, you can see there's no issue as well. So here you can click on additional info. I think that it's going to pop your browser and you can now read through that. So we hope this can help. We just decided to drop these tips for you to have an idea of how to protect your computers. Not really something too technical. Always do these basic security tips. They have proven from time to time to be of assistance and help while you're not a technical person. It's always advisable to just do this basic performance. Of course, you're not using your computer that much to do technical stuff. So the possibility of you getting complex problems on your computer is slim compared to a technical person. So it's always good to check out this. We hope this will help you. And if there's any other security update you want to see on our channel, please drop your comments in the comment section below and we'll definitely look into that. Thank you and bye.